So to enable the Sabbath function on the Samsung, you have to place magnets at 3 locations. First location is here. You can buy flat magnets and just tape it down over the e-saver. Second location is here on the ice-off. You need both of them because there are 2 switches. If you just use one, it'll still turn on. The third place is in the freezer. Now removing stuff out of the freezer isn't that hard. First we take off these, then remove this part. This might be the thing that has to be pulled up. Got that right there. That part there has to be pulled up so that it can come out. Next, we remove the basket. Then there's a get a flat magnet also, and then you tape it right there. Okay, right at that spot.